What is a keywords? In a general perspective, a keywords is nothing but a sentence of words. But why everyone is so crazy about this? What does keywords mean? It is just a phrase for which everyone that is doing online business would like to rank number 1 in Google or any search engine. Well, since everyone is crazy on grabbing the number 1 spot, it must be tough to rank on Google or any search engine. Well, yes, it will be tough. That's why we need to have the basic understanding on how the keywords actually works so that we can have a better chance to overtake others. A keyword does not need to be a single word. For example, when a user search for female weight loss, you can see different type of information displayed, such as article regarding weight loss, tips on weight loss, and also diet for weight loss. So there are a lot of things that are covered in this short keywords, female weight loss. The shorter the keywords, the range will be broader. In other words, shorter keywords are searched tens or 100,000 times per month in Google due to the wide range of short keywords. Let's move into the next example. Weight loss for female over 50. This is somewhat lengthy or long tail keywords, but too specific or narrow in terms of meaning. Because of these lengthy keywords, tell a search engine such as YouTube that the user needs specific information about weight loss for female over 50 and not for some general tips on weight loss. As you can see over here, the total search are much more lesser compared with female weight loss. So do you see the difference over these two examples? When you search for female weight loss, you will get a lot of unrelated results compared to when you search for weight loss for female over 50. Now, you may ask whether you need to target for long tail or short tail keywords. Well, most SEO experts recommend targeting long tail keywords, and I'm not exceptions. I do recommend the same as well. Let's assume this scenario. Jennifer, who is 50 years old, and she needs a weight loss exercise and diet plan. So she types in weight loss and diet plan on Google. On the other hand, you have a video that is promoting an affiliate products about weight loss and diet plan on your YouTube channel. In such case, if Jennifer search for just weight loss and diet plan, and if your YouTube appears in the first search result, Jennifer may click on your video, but she will bounce back immediately because your training and diet is too intense for a 50 years old lady. Then she will start to fine-tune her search keywords to a long tail keywords because she needs a weight loss training and diet that is suitable for a 50 years old lady. So if you have a video that is about training and dieting for a 50 years old woman, Jennifer will probably be interested with what you are presenting, and if it is convinced enough, she will click on your affiliate link and buy the product from you. So that is the reason why you should target long tail or a very specific keywords on your website or your YouTube videos to get the most converting organic traffic. In this topic, we will learn how does Google rank a website and what we can do in order to get our business ranked possibly on the first page of Google. So there are a lot of factors that will determine Google ranking. First one, keywords. Google search algorithm relies a lot on keywords. These are the words and phrases people use when they are looking for information. So they are also the words and phrases that describe the topic your site or your business is about. For example, if a niche is talking about Thai food and you have a video and article that fit the search term how to cook fish in Thai style, you will have a very high chance of ranking on the first page of Google. There are a few types of keywords. The first one, get an answer to a question keywords. So for example, how to cook curry fish. With these keywords, the intention of the searchers is to get an answer to his or her question. This person has no buying intention. This is one of the articles that I post up on one of my blog, dropshipmme.com. This is a typical answer to question post. I have posted an article on how to sell ebook and Kindle Amazon with video on it. The second one, get information before making a purchase. For example, iPhone 7 and Huawei P10 review. With these key terms, the searcher is looking for comparison. This person has high buying intention. As you can see over here, this is another website that run by myself, psychodermy.com. In this article, I'm talking about the top 5 marketing psychology courses online. So you can write an article to review, compare other people's product as well to attract traffic to your website or to your business and to boost your Google ranking. Make a purchase. Search terms such as where to buy iPhone 7. This person is ready to buy. So for example, this is one of the article from Psychodermy. It is all about buying your first aircraft. So people that read this article is someone that is ready or has a very high intention on buying an aircraft. So a great blog or website will include content for each of these keywords type. User experience. When we talk about user experience, we are generally talking about the click-through rate and the bounce rate. So the click-through rate is the percentage of people who click to visit your site after an entry comes up in search results. Bounce rate. This is very important. Bounce rate is the number of people who bounce away after visiting your website. Bounce away means exits. Basically, means your site did not give them what they want. That's why they bounce away quickly. If people land on your site, they don't like it and bounce away, then Google will think it is not relevant to their needs. If enough people doing this, then you might find it more difficult for your site to rank higher in search results. So make sure that your information is related to your topic.